wings. I started with one company called Business Jet. Business Jet is an international company from Europe. And there was a freight from my restaurant to collect caterers because they don't know about me and I'm a star just new. Well, I did my best. As I said before, flight catering is a very tough business. So when they taste the food, when they saw the package, they called me again. More than 5 companies. Today, I have over 47 private jets. We can talk about 18 companies. %85% my product is from abroad. Like I'm using the beef, different type, from T-bone, filet, pork filet, ribeye, from South Africa. We use also the vegetable we bought from company, but they bought from Lebanon. Our product is important, and we use high quality because today you are serving VIP people. Our client from worldwide today, let's say I supply NetJet, it's the biggest private jet around the world. I supply Elitavia from Slovenia. I do also for VistaJet from Austria. I do ExecJet London, Triton, Nest Oil, Avjet, Amjet, there is plenty. So my client, they are so happy.
Very nice.
Their food is next to none. It's good food.
We are passionate about speed. We are passionate about quality and satisfaction. Speed in the sense that most of our clients are travelers and they always want their order to be fast, very fast. We try as much as possible to meet up with the time without no delay of any kind. And we also make sure that we present, our products with the highest quality you can think about. Even though we have to deliver on a fast pace, we do not try to compromise when it comes to quality, when it comes to what we are giving to our clients. So that's why we try as much as possible to deliver quality.
Services to our clients are really varied. We give much attention to it to give better services. So first of all, when our clients send their order, we move straight to the kitchen because timing is really very important. So when we get to the kitchen, we make sure the ingredients are well and properly attended to, giving the right appropriation to the ingredients. And after that's done, we make sure the packaging is well done. After that, when it's checked, sealed and packed, we moved it in the tray down to the trolley, straight to the air site with our delivering van. The way we move the catering down to the air site, we have to be very careful so we won't end up spoiling it or making it look messed up. We have to package it the way it is and give it to them and attend to them at the due time so they won't get waiting.
every organization, coordinating human resources is always a big challenge. But in Wings Restaurant, we try to, make it less a challenge for us by having, some interactive sections. We have it like twice in a week. In these interactive sections, we try to rub minds. We talk about things, that borders around the job. Ideas are born, challenges are, resolved, and all. We try to make it a point of duty to, talk about what goes around in the job. We try to make ourselves feel comfortable and not be tense, not be under any kind of pressure in order to give our best. So I think it's been what survived. Yeah.
We are one.
Professional at Wings in-flight catering, we undertake daily training for effective and efficient quality services. During this program, during this training, we discuss more about the safety and quality control. For this, we have to be more accustomed to the menu, good communication skills, good customer skills to be able to interact with them very well. With this, we're good to go.
As business today, as a Wings restaurant, as I say, we have a partner called Daily Sky from Switzerland, Geneva. They want to be partner with Wings Restaurant, with in-flight catering. So your name is growing worldwide as a partner with your business. So your name, you're going to see it everywhere, anywhere. Also, one company from England is #1 in-flight catering called Alison Price by Mr. Daniel Lomb. He invited us twice to go to UK to make business together, to support our company, to learn from them, to learn from us. This business is huge. We learn every day from different type of business. So your name is going to not only be brunch, your name is going to be everywhere because your product is your name, your quality is your name. What you are making today is going to be everywhere. So I'm thinking to open more than brunch, not only once. But the brunch, I'm going to do it as a restaurant in Victoria Island. We already planned it 1 year ago. The plan is ready. The money is almost ready. So we just need to move. But my target now, I'm thinking about commercial airlines. That one is a bigger branch will give for this country, big support. You will employ over 1,000 people, and they need really that job. You will support the economy. You will support multi-family, they need it. So Wings is trying to do big marketing, not only branch, more than business.